All right, news coming in now from Tamil Nadu because remember there's been a full showdown over the Anna University case, and what we have as news coming in ahead of assembly session, AIDMK IT wing and students wing held a protest outside the Anna University. Amid the push and pull, the cadre were detained immediately as no permission was granted. So it's a full-on showdown. Anna University case where a young student, a female student, 19-year-old, has alleged that she was sexually assaulted. And this was inside the campus by one man who was a vendor who had easy access during and even after the dusk. I want to go across to Pramod Madhav, who's joining me for the latest on this. Let's listen in first to what the showdown is happening, the clashes and the confrontation, and it's a full-on AIDMK IT wing and students wing protest. Pramod Madhav joining me on this. Pramod, good morning. Tell us about these protests, what's happening, where were these protests and why? Pramod, if you can hear me, looks like that the protests are still on. If you can tell us what is the situation on the ground, why were they protesting outside the university and what is happening right now?
Pooja, this was a protest led by the AIDMK IT wing and the AIDMK students wing over there. They were not granted permission, but they protested outside the Guindy Anna University campus, condemning the state government. The AIDMK has brought in a new campaign claiming that they want to know the answer of the person called as who is that sir. That seems to be the campaign over there, and that's the reason the protest was held. In fact, it's going to be a very, very serious day for Tamil Nadu, as the first day of assembly session for 2025 is also going to convene. The chief minister, the deputy chief minister are over here, and we're also waiting for the governor. Remember, for the year 2023 and 2024, the speech of the governor was extremely controversial, and we are waiting over here for the governor's speech. And amidst this, AIDMK has held this protest right now, Pooja.
Is the protest presently also on, or all the cadre has been detained by the cops? And are we expecting more of a showdown against Thailand government? Pramod.
Yeah, Pooja, the protest has been over because there was no permission granted. They were detained immediately, Pooja. Ready?
All right, Pramod, I'll come back to you in just a short while. Go ahead. Remember, reporters consistently on the ground are sending us updates about what exactly is happening with regard to the Anna University case.